So decided to tune up the guitar. Show this. Hey, don't that close, it will lose focus. Just tell them what that is. Nobody will understand that.
You tell them, I don't know what to say.
Yeah, this is
it's a jiu-jitsu shirt.
Hakaru Jiu-Jitsu. And this is...
It's Hako Denshin.
Yeah, this is about physical jiu-jitsu, but what we are trying to show you is how to relax. And it's mental jiu-jitsu. So even people like me who don't have any talent, they still have... This thing got crazy. Look at this, what happens. Don't get that close, it will be out of focus.
It's in focus.
No, it will be.
Hello.
Alright, anyways, we will think that it's more or less...
Tuned!
Yeah, tuned, not in tune. Hey, you remember this song?
Hakaru Denshu.
And my reason for this song to support tradition.
Well, of course you sang
West
it.
was, is, and will be strong. It's my goal. And mission.
Of course I remember it. You sang it a minute 27 seconds ago.
Okay, if you are that good, I'll sing for you a Russian version of the same. Chastushki, that you know what it's all about. That you don't steal, we play our honest game honestly, you know where the music is coming from. It's a Russian version of Limericks. Оторвали, оторвали, оторвали у меня не пей. Подумайте плохого от кафтана рукава. Оторвали, оторвали, оторвали. Подумайте плохого от кафтана рукава. Look at this. You see, it's exactly жилетка. Жилетка, без рукавов.
Attacking the camera kid.
Okay, so we are talking about...
With tickle power.
She came as an excellent model of beauty and illustration for this song. Because in the song it's talking about that they ripped off something of that guy who is singing this. And he says, don't think about anything bad, it's just sleeves from my kaftan, which means his overcoat.
Yeah.
That's exactly what my dear wife and beauty and the best half had. It's like
Yes, Merry Christmas
it's a waist
for that guy.
without
Yes, Merry Christmas
vest.
for that
It's
guy.
a vest, not a waist. It's a vest.
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 It's a vest. It's vestardly.
It's a Western style vest.
It's more vestardly for me.
All right, one more time. The last.
Blue, 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 blue.
По деревне мы идем и кого не признаем, все мы предатели. Та-ра-та-та-ра-та-та-ра. By the way, this the last one. How do they say devoted?
I don't know.
Devoted to Steve. What's his name? Listen. From CNBC, the last portion of this, because he knows Russian and he knows about this expression with Mama Mia, and that was the last version. I'll sing it again. Steve, it's for you. По деревне мы идем, никого не признаем. Все мы председатели канай. Как раз той самой мамочки, которой ты сказал твоему другу Джо на передаче, после чего он сильно обиделся. That's all, folks.